Here's the unboxing. I just got this package today in the mail from Magic Square. And again, when it comes to Los Angeles, where I'm at, for some reason it ships out to another state, Chicago. But fortunately, it only took a couple of days after that to get it. So I think altogether this was maybe 12 days. So not bad. So now let's open the package and take a look at what I've got. And I'm really excited about this figure because it actually looks really good. So you can see they do a nice job of bubble wrapping. And let's see, let's get this open, remove it out of the bubble wrap. They really do a good job of being generous with the wrapping. So now this is what I got. Yes, the Magic Square MS-B49 and B50, which is their version of a Gears and Windcharger. Really nice back with the tech spec, which these are cool. Let's see, the side, Gears, the other side, Windcharger, the top, Magic Square, bottom, warning stuff. So really nice packaging design as well. Now let's open this up. Yes, and take a look at what it looks like when you take it out of the box. So you get the instructions with the bio cart. Well, let's just open it up just to make sure. So we get a weapon there. We get an extra faceplate. These are cool. I really like these. I like collecting these. So we get the bio cards and the back silhouette tech spec, and I believe this is Windcharger's gun. Yep, and an alternate face. Who does this face belong to? Let's see, zoom in. I think that's Gears. And the, oh, actually you get another weapon as well. I think that's Gears. And it's on a hinge here. So looks like it folds up. Oh, another accessory. I think this is Gears also. So that's cool. Let's do it this way. So it you can see better. Yeah, so we got I think that's Gears gun, Gears welding thing, Windcharger's gun, extra smiling face for Gears. So that's nice. Okay, and now on to the good stuff. Let's take it off the clamshell. Let's see, there's Gears, here's Windcharger, and yeah. Let's see here. Let's zoom down, or let's do it this way. So start with Gears. Good articulation, ball joint. It's elbows go up and down, swivel, waist swivel. Is there ab crunch? There is a ab crunch. Legs go out to the side, they go up and down. Yeah, on that cool hip leg integration here, the knees bend, the ankles rocker. Does it go up and down? Oh, it doesn't look like, yeah, it doesn't really look like it goes up and down on the foot. But for the size, good articulation, and it looks a lot like Gears from the cartoon, so that's really nice. And Windcharger, finally some love for some Windcharger. Let's take a look at that face. Really nice. All the details, very cartoon accurate. Let's see, it does go up and down, out to the side. Arm bends, hand swivel. Man, this is so amazing. I really love Magic Square. These are really nice figures. He doesn't really have any feet articulation because he doesn't really have feet. But nonetheless, this is all really great. Back view, very cartoon accurate. So that's a look at these two. So now I just need to get the Autobot sticker on there and then just do my review after that. So here is Magic Square's MS-B49 B50, their version of Gears and Windcharger.